So I just got noodles and chicken today. I got leftover pieces of my Popeyes chicken strips that I had yesterday, and I got some noodles. So I'm not really in the best of moods. I've been in the bed all weekend. So I just had to eat. I'm trying to just eat something. Like I had to put something on my stomach. So, and I'm on a budget right now. Got a mortgage I'm paying by myself. So, yeah. I'm gonna put some hot sauce on these noodles and chicken and call it a day. I'll go get my Wingstop tomorrow probably. But let's say grace, because no matter how hard it gets, we are not losing faith, okay? We gonna make the devil mad, all right? Ashe, amen. So let's eat, y'all. It's 10:35 p.m. I didn't want to let the day go by without at least eating something, and my stomach was growling so bad. I seasoned my noodles with onion powder, garlic powder, pepper, and the seasoning that came in the noodle pack. It's good. It's a little spicy though, since I put the hot sauce on there. I got my Kroger raspberry lemonade. Spicy. I'm just trying to hang on, y'all. It's gonna be, it's about to be hot. I can see the pepper on it. I don't know if y'all can see the seasoning. It's heat hot and spicy hot.